So welcome. This question from jamb 1994, question 25, which I believe is important for those preparing for all exams, including waec and even the mass olympiad. And the question reads as follows. The determinant of the matrix, we're given a 3 by 3 matrix, and the elements of our matrix are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 0, minus 1 is. In solving this, we quickly write solution. Next, we copy out the element of our matrix, usually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 0, minus 1. Now we'll do a recopy of our first two columns. So we're going to have a column 4 and a column 5 from column 1 and column 2. So we have 1, 4, 2. Next we have 2, 5, 0. Now we're going to draw a diagonal line from row 3, column 1, where we have 2. Now line will terminate at row 1, column 3, where we have 3. Next, we'll draw another diagonal line from row 3, column 2, where we have 0. And our line will terminate at row 1, column 4, where we have 1. Next, we'll draw a diagonal line from row 3, column 3, where we have minus 1, to row 1, column 5, where we have 2. All right, we'll move back to row 1, column 1, where we have 1. I'll draw a diagonal line from that point to row 3, column 3, where we have minus 1. Next, we'll draw a diagonal line from row 1, column 2, where we have 2, to row 3, column 4, where we have 2. Now, lastly, we'll draw a diagonal line starting from row 1, column 3, where we have 3, to row 3, column 5, where we have 0. Okay, now what we'll do is that we proceed to multiply the element falling within each diagonal line. So we'll have 2 times 5 times 3. This gives us 30. Next, we'll have 0 times 6 times 1. This gives us 0. Next, we have minus 1 times 4 times 2. This gives us minus 8. Move down. We have 1 times 5 times minus 1. This gives us minus 5. Next, we have 2 times 6 times 2. This gives us 24. And lastly, we have 3 times 4 times 0. This gives us 0. Now, the next thing we do is that we sum up our upper values and sum up our bottom values separately. So we have sum of upper values. We have 30 plus 0 plus bracket open minus 8 bracket close. This gives us 30 minus 8, and this is equal to 22. So we have 22. Next, from our bottom, we have sum of bottom values. Bottom, we have minus 5 plus 24 plus 0. This ends up giving us minus 5 plus 24 plus 0. We'll end up having 19. And what we'll do next is that we subtract our upper values, the sum of our upper values, from the sum of our bottom values. So we'll have bracket open, sum bottom values minus bracket open, sum of upper values, right? All right, so bracket close. So the sum of our bottom values, we have 19, while our upper values, we have 22. So we have 19 minus 22. This gives us minus 3 as our final answer. So it means that determinant of this matrix is minus 3. Thank you.